Hello and welcome to KDP with a Twist podcast. I'm Tammie Chrin, a self-publishing enthusiast, and I'm dedicated to helping you grow your business by adding a new twist to the KDP self-publishing world. I've been branding booklets for businesses since 2018. I'm the founder of KDP for B2B, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing for Business to Business. We'll explore how to leverage your KDP self-publishing skills by helping businesses create branded booklets featuring their content. If you're interested in starting and growing your own KDP for B2B business, you've come to the right place. I'll introduce you to a few ways that you can get paid to help businesses create their own branded booklets without keywords or ads. Yes, that's right, without keywords or ads. This is what I call a triple win. The business elevates its brand, adds value to its customers, and stands out from their competition. You get paid a setup fee for each book created, plus you can make money for every book sold. And customers feel as though they have received a gift and something they will use and love. Join me every Tuesday as I will share some practical tips and advice on how you can get your own KDP for B2B adventure started. Are you ready? Let's go. You ready to start your self-publishing business, but you don't know how to get started? Welcome to KDP with a Twist. I'm Tammie Chrin, and I'm going to be sharing with you today if you are brand new to KDP, which is Kindle Direct Publishing, and that is Amazon's print-on-demand self-publishing platform. I'm going to share with you a course that my friend Cindy Manier of Aududu Book Creator tool has created, and it's a course that will take you through setting up your account on Amazon, and it's free, how to pick a niche for a book, how to create an interior design for your book, how to create a cover, and how to publish it on the KDP platform. So I'm going to share with you this video that she put together and her course that she has to offer you. So if you've been always wondering about how to get started on using Amazon self-publishing platform, this is the course for you. There is multiple ways to use your self-publishing skills once you know how to use the platform. So this course is a great way for you to get your skills to at least know how to use the platform. And then we will show you in many other courses that we both have how to generate an income using your self-publishing skills. So I hope you'll enjoy this little video from Cindy. She explains what is in the course and how it'll take you from setting up your account, your free account, all the way through book creation and publishing. So this is just going to be an overview of what is in the course. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. So this will take you through that whole process. So enjoy the video, and if you have any questions, let me know.
Self-publishing books on KDP is the perfect side hustle for everyone, but getting started can be a bit overwhelming. This course will walk you step by step through setting up your self-publishing business and getting your first book published. The course starts off with an introduction to low-content books, where you will learn about the different types of books you can create. I'll also give you examples of books that sell well and tell you how much money you can make publishing them. In the next lesson, I'll walk you through getting your KDP account set up so you're all set to publish your first book. After creating your account, you'll be ready to pick a niche for your very first book. You'll learn how to determine the niches you should create for, how to niche down to get to a highly targeted audience, and how to research that audience to determine what they want in a book. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to take what you've learned about your niche to create your first interior. You'll learn how to plan your book before you start creating it, and then you'll be taken step by step through the creation process. Next, you will learn all about creating covers. I'll show you what you need to determine before you create your cover, and then I'll take you step by step through creating your first cover. In the last lesson, I'll walk you through publishing your book on KDP. I will explain each section, making it easy for you to complete each one and get your book published. You will also get a demonstration of a book being published on KDP. When you sign up for this course, you'll get a 1-month pro membership at Aududu Book Creator, so you'll have all the tools you need to create your book. You'll also get access to a private Facebook group just for course members, so you can get all of your self-publishing questions answered. I've added a bunch of bonuses to this course to help you be successful at starting your self-publishing business. You'll get A+ content Canva book mockup templates, to make it quick and easy for you to create mock-ups for your A+ content and social media marketing. Your next bonus is a lesson that walks you through creating your second book. You'll learn how to take what you created for your first book and modify it to create a hardcover book. You'll also get my book planning worksheet to keep you organized and help you plan out your books, my book creation checklist to keep you on track while creating your book, my keywords worksheet to help you come up with keywords that get your book found, and my book description template to help you write descriptions that get your book bought. This course will set you down the path towards having a profitable KDP self-publishing business. For less than the cost of a night out, you will get your first 2 books published and gain the tools you need to be successful. Enroll now and start building your business.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was informative and you want to get started on your quick start to KDP Publisher. And I will drop the link in the show notes. So go ahead and click on the link and get started today. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Bye. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you know anybody else struggling with KDP and not making sales, or even having trouble with ads and keywords, please share KDP with a Twist podcast or have them subscribe to my YouTube channel. At KDP with a Twist podcast, I will be going over lots of strategies every Tuesday, and I'll be putting this information into small chunks, so it'll make it easier to digest. And then you can get started making money with KDP for B2B ASAP. For more information, go to my website. Make sure you get on the email list so you can stay in the loop with all things KDP. My website name is my name, Tammie Chrin. That's it, TammieChrin.com. TammieChrin.com. It'll also be in the transcripts below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. And thank you for your time, and bye for now.